The third one, community, is one of the most powerful accelerators of relief. I've seen people connect in our community, and even in the self-studied spaces of our community, I've seen incredible progress happen because people connect with other people inside our online program, which is available 24/7 with people in different time zones, and the support that you get from each other with a positive framework is one of the biggest accelerators for habituation and for making this perspective shift happen.